Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to a transformative journey towards heightened online security and efficiency with Esnet VPN. Bid farewell to sluggish internet speeds as we embark on a mission to optimize your online interactions. Let's delve into this detailed tutorial to unlock the full potential of your digital experience. Tutorial steps. Step 1: Seamless installation process. Begin your digital transformation by accessing the Google Play Store and downloading Esnet VPN. Install the app to kickstart your journey towards enhanced online security and browsing prowess. Step 2: Explore settings. After installation, open the app and locate the three dots menu button. Tap on this button to unveil a plethora of customization options that will enhance your browsing experience. Step 3: Stay updated with app updates. Prioritize the efficiency of your app by selecting the Check Updates option within the menu. Stay equipped with the latest features and enhancements for a richer browsing journey. Step 4: Optimize your connection. Fine-tune your online experience by selecting the Auto Server option. This strategic choice delivers optimal performance, ensuring a seamless and efficient browsing experience tailored to your preferences. Step 5: Country-specific connectivity. Enhance your browsing capabilities by choosing a UDP server specific to your country. Select a server identified by your country flag to personalize your connection and bolster your online security. Step 6: Initiate secure browsing. Conclude this empowering process by tapping the Start button. Begin your secure browsing session with Esnet VPN, setting the stage for a safeguarded and swift online experience. Step 7: Engage and connect. Show your support by subscribing, liking, and commenting. Join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for further insights and community engagement as we navigate the digital realm together. Conclusion. Congratulations on elevating your online security and efficiency with Esnet VPN. Enjoy enhanced speeds, heightened security measures, and personalized connectivity options as you explore the digital landscape with confidence. Dive deeper into the app features to customize your browsing adventure further. Experience a secure, efficient, and optimized online journey with Esnet VPN.